Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Marvel Rivals Directx install is not supported on your system. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to use your launch option. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to Marvel Rivals and select manage. And now turn on this launch options. Check my video description for this launch option. Just copy and paste it under launch options. And now just close tab here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is to update the graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. For AMD users, you just need to check my video description for this link. Scroll down, select under Browse Products Graphics, Product Family, select the graphics card model. After selecting it, select the Submit option. And now you just need to expand it, depends on your system. In my case, I use Windows 11, so I am just expanding this. Download the latest available driver, select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you can install this latest driver, and after that installing the driver you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3 is to install Directx. To do this, you just need to open up browser and search Directx download. Select the first link. Select the download option and download the Directx. After getting download and you can install it. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4 is to update via Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type check for Windows updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After updating it, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5 is to ensure the game uses the correct GPU. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. You just need to click on the three dot icon next to Marvel Rivals and select manage option. Select this open install location. Now you just need to copy the file path. After that, just to close tab here and go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select the browse option. Paste the path we copied and press enter. Double click on the Fortnite game. For example, I am just doing in Fortnite game. Binaries Win64. You just need to find this Fortnite client. In my case, I just selecting the Fortnite client. In our case, it will be Marvel Rivals exe file. Just need to select that, the highest KB listed over here, and select the add option. After adding it, just need to select the Marvel Rivals listed over here, select options and select it to high performance and select save. And now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.